Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Wix website to HTML. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is to make sure to publish your site first. So let's publish our site, and then from there, click on View Site. And once we have viewed our site right here, we should be able to see what our site will look like. So under in here on our site, we should be able to just right-click on any part of our website. So for example, let's right-click in here. And in here, you can see the option for Save As. Alternatively, you can also just click on Control and Pen. Now, from in there, you can see in here the file name, and in here, you can see the type. So click on Web Page HTML only, and then click on Save. And then this will be downloaded to your actual local device. Now, from in there, let's head over to our files. And then from in there, let's head over and open this Home Daily Mom, and we should be able to open it on any of your browsers. So when you open this on your browser, like for example on this one, we should be able to see that we have exported this HTML of our website right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to actually convert Wix website to HTML. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.